7 scientific facts about how the female brain works. Have you ever wondered how women can talk on the phone, cook dinner, comfort a friend, and plan tomorrow's meeting all at the same time? That's not chaos. That's neuroscience. Today, we're diving into 7 fascinating scientific facts about how the female brain actually works. And trust me, it's far more powerful, emotional, and adaptive than most people realize. Let's begin. Fact 1. The female brain isn't smaller, it's more efficient. For centuries, people believed that a smaller brain meant less intelligence. But modern neuroscience says otherwise. Yes, the female brain is physically smaller on average, but it's packed with more tightly connected neurons. This means information travels faster, emotions are processed deeper, and communication between brain regions is more synchronized. While men's brains tend to focus on single tasks, women's brains connect logic, memory, and emotion all at once. So when a woman says, "I'm fine," a man might hear only the words. But her brain is reading tone, pauses, and emotional context. She's processing layers of meaning that go beyond language itself. Fact 2. Women feel emotions more strongly because of the amygdala. Deep inside the brain lies the amygdala, the emotional control center. In women, it's larger and more active, and it's wired directly to the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory. That's why women remember emotional details so vividly: the smell of a room, the song playing in the background, the look on someone's face. They don't overreact. They deeply process emotional experiences. It's a survival mechanism, helping women understand others' feelings, build empathy, and protect relationships. This emotional intelligence is one of the brain's greatest evolutionary strengths. Fact 3. The female brain is built for multitasking. Scientists at Cambridge University discovered that women switch between tasks faster and lose less focus than men. The reason? The corpus callosum, the bridge between the brain's 2 hemispheres, is up to 25% thicker in women. That means information flows rapidly from left to right, logic to emotion, planning to intuition. Women can process multiple streams of data simultaneously. So while she's arguing, cleaning, texting her friend, and noticing your new haircut, her brain is literally wired to handle it. Fact 4. Female intuition is science, not magic. We've all heard the phrase, "a woman's intuition," but it's not mystical. It's measurable. MRI scans show that women's insula, the part of the brain that senses internal signals, is more active. This allows them to subconsciously read subtle cues, tone of voice, facial expression, body language, and reach accurate conclusions before logic even catches up. When a woman says, "something feels off," she's not guessing. She's detecting microsignals that most people miss and processing them at lightning speed. That's intuition, data analysis on a subconscious level. Fact 5. The female brain tires faster, but recovers faster. Women's brains use more regions related to emotion, empathy, and memory, which means they burn energy faster. That's why lack of sleep hits women harder. Mood swings, brain fog, anxiety, and even hormonal imbalance. But here's the good news. Women's brains also recover faster. Just 30 to 40 minutes of quiet rest, no screens, no talking, can completely reset their neural activity. When a woman says, "I just need to be alone for a bit," that's not drama. That's neural self-maintenance. Fact 6. Women are emotional detectives. Women are up to 3 times better at reading faces and voices. The secret lies in mirror neurons, brain cells that allow us to feel what others feel. These neurons are more active in women's frontal lobes, helping them instantly sense sadness, discomfort, or dishonesty, even if someone says everything's fine. This isn't magic, it's empathy at a biological level. Evolution shaped this ability to help mothers understand their babies before language even developed. And today, it gives women an edge in communication, leadership, and relationships. Fact 7. female brains are more adaptable, thanks to neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to rewire itself, and in women, it's especially strong. This means they adapt to change, recover from stress, and even rewrite emotional patterns from the past. That's why after heartbreak, trauma, or loss, so many women don't just survive, they reinvent themselves. They grow new emotional maps, new confidence, new life strategies. The female brain was built not only to endure pain, but to transform through it. The female brain isn't a mystery, it's a masterpiece. It feels deeply, analyzes constantly, adapts endlessly, and loves fiercely. It's capable of empathy and strategy, vulnerability and strength, all within the same moment. So the next time someone says, "You're too emotional," just smile and say, "No, I'm just biologically advanced." If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and tell me in the comments, which of these 7 facts surprised you the most? And if you'd like a follow-up video, how the male brain really works, let me know below. This is Your Mind Explained, where psychology meets everyday life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your brain is powerful, especially if it's a woman's.